Hello guys, this is Madam Peku all the way from Mercy Divine Properties Limited, and right about now we are on New Banana Island. As you can see, it's a dry land and a table land, and you just have just few days remaining to get it at the promo price of 6.5 million naira. Otherwise it will be 7 million naira cash, nothing more, nothing less. So all you need to do is to call Madam Peck on 0903429651 to get your own plot of New Banana Island. You know how we they run on now. Get it now. All you need to do is to discover where people are running to. Get there before them, buy it, and settle down while you wait for them to join you. Okay? You know now. I'm the key to your new land, all right? So I'm waiting for you. And don't forget the number to always call. It's 0903429651 See for yourself. As you can see, a dry and table land. All right.